Leo and Maya here, back from the science fair. Our crystal project was a sweet success, but now we want to try something a little spookier. Get ready for our biggest, messiest, most ooze-tastic experiment ever! We call this project the Pumpkin Guts Eruption. And to start, we need to find the perfect specimen at the pumpkin patch. We need the perfect specimen for our project. Not too tall, not too small. It needs to be nice and round with a good flat bottom. We've secured our pumpkin. Now it's back to the lab to get it ready for the experiment. First, we need to turn this into a jack-o'-lantern. This is 100% a grown-up job, since it involves sharp tools. We're giving ours a super surprised face, because it has no idea what's about to happen.
This experiment, also known as Elephant Toothpaste, is famous for being gigantic and messy. So, do this one outside or on a tray you can easily clean.
And we've got a special ingredient today that definitely requires a grown-up's help. Hydrogen peroxide. Ready? You'll need hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, purple food coloring, dry yeast, your carved pumpkin, and a jar that fits inside. First, put your empty jar inside the pumpkin. This will be our reaction chamber to keep the pumpkin itself from getting too soggy. Inside the jar, I'll add half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Remember, ask your grown-up for this part. Now for the fun. I'll add a big squirt of dish soap and about 10 drops of that spooky purple food coloring. In a separate cup, I'll mix our activator. Add 3 tablespoons of warm water and 1 packet of dry yeast. Stir it up. Okay, team, this is the moment. Leo, are you ready? I'm ready. Let's make this pumpkin ooze. Pour the yeast mixture into the jar and stand back. Whoa! Look at it go! It's a massive foamy eruption. It's everywhere. This is the best science fair project ever.
That was awesome! But why did it happen so fast? It's all about a chemical reaction called decomposition.
This is hydrogen peroxide, or H2O2. It's basically water with an extra unstable oxygen atom.
On its own, this breakdown is super slow, but our yeast contains a special enzyme called catalase. Think of catalase as a super fast helper.
Catalase is a catalyst. Its job is to find the H2O2 and break it apart super duper fast. It's like hitting the fast forward button on the reaction. So, the yeast instantly released tons and tons of oxygen gas. But where did all the bubbles come from? The dish soap. All that rushing gas got trapped by the sticky soap, creating foam. Trillions of tiny purple bubbles. And did you notice the steam? If you feel the jar, it's warm. That's because this reaction is exothermic. Exothermic means it releases energy as heat. Breaking apart that peroxide molecule is like snapping a tiny twig. It releases a little puff of energy. A spooky, oozing pumpkin, all powered by a catalyst, decomposition, and an exothermic reaction. This is a 10 out of 10 science fair project. Thanks for making a mess with us for science. Go build your own pumpkin guts eruption. Stay curious. If you liked this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such amazing DIY science projects.